I was looking for a video the other day on how to adjust the handbrake on a Ford Kuga. So basically I'm going to show you a quicker video on how to do it. So you just remove that trim. You don't need to start taking everything to bits. And down there is two 13mm nuts, one on top of the other, one's a locking nut. If you can see down there you go. So basically you remove the top 13mm nut, and then to adjust the handbrake you just tighten the other 13mm nut down. So you're going to need a deep 30mm socket on a long extension, and I'd suggest having a magnet on hand as well. So remove the top locking nut, then adjust the 13mm nut underneath down to take the slack out the handbrake. Pull the handbrake on to see what it feels like and check that you've got enough of the slack out of it. When you're happy, put the locking nut back on and fasten it down. Then reattach the trim, and that's the job, should be done.